So hey the fantastic one, welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to talk about how to create a Fiverr freelancing gig in the next couple of minutes. So let's get started. So first of all we have to go to our Fiverr account. Then what we have to do is we have to go to the dashboard where we can create the gig. So you just have to click on the gigs. Now we have to click on create a new gig. Okay, so the first thing which we can see here is the gig title. So gig title is something which can make you rank on the top of the all the competitors gig. Like if you are providing the services on website designing, right? So what do you have to do? I will create a website for your business, right? Or you can say that if you are a WordPress developer, then you can say that I can create or I will create a WordPress website. Now why we are putting the keyword? Because whenever the someone is searching, whenever the business is searching for the freelancers on the Fiverr, they are looking for the particular keyword like the WordPress developer, WordPress website. So if the Fiverr crawler will find out the WordPress keyword in your gig title, there will be a high chances of ranking of your gig on the particular Fiverr account or on the particular Fiverr results, right? After that you have to just select a category, and now we are creating a website, so we will select a category of programming and tech, or you can say that graphics and design, because it also comes under the designing process because you're designing a website, right? Then what you have to do is you have to select a subcategory. Okay, so here is a website design, we can select it out. Now which type of websites you can create, यानी आप कौन कौन से वेबसाइट्स यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर पा रहे हो, राइट? सो वी विल सेलेक्ट द ई कॉमर्स, वी कैन सेलेक्ट ब्लॉग, इफ लाइक it depends upon you and your skills, like how many type of websites you are able to create on WordPress, right? So let's say you can also create an educational website. So we have only three options available, like three type of websites you can select. So we have selected e-commerce, blogs and educational. After that, which tool or which platform you will use to create that particular website? So we are going to use the WordPress, so we will check out the WordPress. Now I have also experience on Wix, so I will select the Wix also. Next, I also have experience on Magento, so I can also select Magento because I have three different CMS experiences, right? But you can select one or two or three up depending upon your needs and your skills. After that, we have to go for the search tags. This is a very important part of the gig, because when you are applying any tags on your gig, it indicates that on that particular category, like if you are selecting here website, build website, like you can say here we have the categories build website, business website, create website. So these are the keywords which the businesses are searching on Fiverr platform, right? Businesses are searching about build website, business website, create website. So these are the keywords. So it depends upon you which type of keyword you wanted to search. It actually depends upon the common sense of the person, right? अब ये सोचो कि like let's suppose you are a businessman, right? So what you will search, you don't have any technical knowledge on the field of marketing and keywords. What you will search on the net? Create website, right? Or a free website, right? These type of keywords. So there is a chance of probability, like which keyword will make you rank top on the top, or which keyword can make you rank on the lower of the gigs, right? So it depends upon the tags. So you can select multiple tags here, like I can also select WordPress because I am providing the WordPress website, right? So install WordPress developer, right? Also I have experience on Wix, so I can also search here Wix. Okay, after that you can here put 5 of the maximum tags here. So it depends on your needs and your skills, like which type of platform you are using. You can select the tags related to the platform, related to your skills, or related to the keyword which the businesses are searching on the gigs, right? After that you have to click save and continue. Now it will ask us what is the pricing of your business, what is the pricing of your gig, right? So here is a potential revenue with 3 packages. Actually Fiverr provides you 3 different packages: basic, premium, advanced, right? So you can click on the try now, and we will get three different packages to show to our businesses or our clients. Now, there are three different packages. You have to arrange them in the ascending order of pricing limits, right? So firstly, let's say the basic plan is our bronze. All right, I'm naming my basic plan as a bronze and standard plan as silver and the premium plan as gold. All right, then in the basic plan I will provide a 5 pages website. It means whatever platform you are choosing, Magento, Wix or WordPress, I will create a 5-page website. All right, plus I will provide the whole content of the website. Like, customers don't have to provide me the content. I will write and wrote all the content on the website and I will create the 5 pages. But in the silver form, in the silver package, I will create 10 pages plus content plus graphics, right? In the gold pages, there will be unlimited pages. It's my choice, like how much content do I have to provide, how much resources and services do I have to provide to the customer so that he can purchase my package instead of the other competitors. So it depends upon you, like how much pressure or how much free things you can give to your clients. Like if you are a newbie on the Fiverr, then I will suggest you to provide maximum things in the lowest amount of value, because people wants everything free. So if you will provide them what they wanted, they will always be attentive to yourselves, right? So I'm providing unlimited pages plus content plus graphics plus SEO tools integrations. All right, so these are the services which I have put it in a descriptive format. Now I have to select the delivery time. What is the delivery time? Like how much time should I have to take, or how much time would it take me to complete this website? So as you can see, here is a basic plan. So it will take around 2 to 3 days to complete me. But for the clients, I have to take, because there are some sort of revisions asked by the clients to do on the website, right? So what you have to do is you have to select a delivery time in which you can provide the complete furnished website. Let's suppose you said that I can provide the website in 1 day delivery, right? But the competitor, or but the client asks for the sorry, not the competitor, but the client asks for the review, right? Like he asked you to change some of the banners, he asked you to change some of the content or some of the designing elements or the animations, all of other things. So it will take some more time. So at least take twice or thrice of the time you really required. Like let's say it would take around 1 day to complete that website, then I will say that 3 days, it will take me to 3 days, right? After that you can select more than 3 days, 6 days or 5 days. Now after that, on the gold platform, see, when it comes to the delivery time, the person wants maximum things in a very quickly way. Like if he is purchasing a gold plan, then you have to be attentive, you have to care about it. Like the delivery should be given very quickly. Like you can't let them wait for the month, or you can't let them wait for the 10 or 20 days. You have to provide them their website in the lapse of 5 or 10 days, right? So provide the website or the delivery time of the gold package would be very less in according to the comparison of bronze and silver, right? So it should be less. I'm selecting the 10 days delivery. After that, the number of pages of its screens, so the number of pages or screens would be 5. Okay, and here I have selected 10, so it would be 10. And here I have selected unlimited, so here I would select okay, so here is no such limit for the things, so I can select the maximum number of pages. Okay, सो कस्टम एसेट्स डिज़ाइन, यानी कि अगर आप कस्टम एसेट्स बनाना चाहते हो वहाँ पे कि आप कितने तरीके की और डिफरेंट एसेट्स वहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करोगे. लेट्स सपोज सम पीपल आस्क फॉर द एडिशनल बैनर्स और एडिशनल पेजेस. सो हाउ मेनी कस्टम एसेट्स यू कैन प्रोवाइड? I can provide 2 in this, I can provide 2 in this, I can provide 2 in this, right? Responsive design, all the packages would consider the responsive designs. Prototype, yeah, I can provide the prototype. Content upload, as I have mentioned earlier here, we are providing the content on all the packages, so it will be checked. Convert to HTML CSS, no. If you are creating a website on WordPress, Wix, Magento, then you don't need to convert it into HTML or CSS. Yeah, you can provide the source file of all those things, because if they wanted the client in the future to edit the changes or to make some changes in the website, then he can do it, right? Revisions, how many revisions you can provide? You can provide 3 revisions at least, you should provide on all the packages, right? After that, what is the pricing of? Now how you can select what is the pricing, right? So if I get to go to the international market and I will ask for the WordPress website, so it would take around $100, right? But we can't charge $100 here because the competition is too high. Let me show you how much the other competitors are pricing over there. See, if I'm going to switch to the buying model, then if I will search here the WordPress, so you can see that people are providing the website in $10-20 even, right? So you can't charge, a newbie can't charge around $100 or $200. See here, $15, right? $50, $20, right? $20, 95. These are the experienced ones, so they are charging high. I will create and design WordPress websites, $20, $25, $30. So these are the newbies who are actually in your competition, so you can't charge $100 for in against of them. So you have to start with the, let's say, $10, right? After that, in advance you can charge around $50, and for the advanced packages you can charge around $100 or more than that. All right, so here are the extra services which you can provide, like if you are providing the additional pages or services. So in the basic plan, if you will provide the additional page, then you can charge $5 for each additional pages, right? For each one page you will charge $5. Same thing in the next pages, for each one page. Alright, so extra fast delivery, if someone wanted like extra fast delivery, तो बेसिक में तो आप extra fast delivery दे नहीं सकते क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी 3 दिन का है, तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा extra fast delivery है. But for the standard ones, you can select 1 day extra fast delivery, 2 days, 3 days. Like let's say you have said that 3 days, but they have to pay extra for that because you have to care more of the project, right? So you can, let's say you will charge $20 more for the extra fast delivery. Alright, so on the premium you can provide in, let's say, 3 days, but you will charge around $20. All right, then additional custom assets design, so you are already providing, we have already the additional custom assets selected, so we don't have to select here. All right, so now we have to click save and continue. Now it's showing us the description of the gig, like how it will be shown to your clients. So what do you have to do is you just have to copy paste your competitors gig. Let's say this is a professional WordPress developer which is providing his professional website services on the freelancing platform Fiverr. So what you have to do is you have to copy his content, all right, and you just have to paste it in your gig. All right, now what you have to do is you have to curate it according to your skills, like how much experience do you have, who are you, from how much time do you are working on it, what type of features you will provide in that website, what type of things you will provide, right? How many revisions you can provide. Like he has stated successfully completed more than 600 plus orders on Fiverr, right? So you can here change like successfully completed more than 10 plus projects in US market. All right, so here's the thing which you can provide here, but if you don't have, if you're a very newbie in the Fiverr, then you don't have to put such type of things. All right, and after that what you have to do is what do you want from your client, like if he is interested in creating a website, so what are the requirements you need to start up with the project, like the stock photos, the website architecture, or the looks, or the designs, or the custom designs which he wanted to put on the website, right? So these are the requirements. After that you have to put some of the FAQs, like in his profile you can see here will be some of the FAQs mentioned here. Just a second. Okay, so he doesn't stated any type of the FAQs here, so let's see any other profile. Let's say this. He also not mentioned any type of FAQ. So let me just tell you what is a FAQ. FAQ is type of things like what your client could ask. So you have to earlier mention the same thing here so that the connection time would be less, and he is already mind stated, he is already connected in his mind like I have to go with the project or I don't have to go with the project. So what you have to do is like, let's say client will be thinking about, do you provide revisions? So what you have to do is, yes, I am. What you can do, other thing is what the client should be thinking about, other things like will you provide future assistance after completion of project? Yes. So these are type of questions you have to put it here, right? After that you have to click save and continue. Now it will ask some of the proofs that you have some things. Now it's asking like what information do you need from your client. So what what are your requirements? You can just put it out here like I need only the details about the website niche and products or services to be listed so that I can make my mind to proceed with the project. All right, so you can give an option of the free text. All right, then next what you have to do is save and continue. Now we are here. So this is a very crucial part of the Fiverr gig process. Why? Because you have to upload some of the images from your projects. Let's say you have created some of the websites, right? So you have to took some of the PDF images or some of the JPGs images, so you can put it out here of the website. Let's say I have some of the project images. Let's see where I have saved them. Okay, so here are the image of the website. All right, so I have uploaded one photo. What you have to do is you can upload up to 3 photos here, right? So I'm uploading 3 different photos here. The first one was that, the second one was that. Just a second. So you can upload up to 3 photos here. I have uploaded 2 of them, right? So after that you have to upload a document. So if you have some deposited, or if you have a file of your projects into a PDF format or the any other type of file format, so you can upload it here, right? So I'm just uploading any type of the random file here. All right, so let's say this, I have uploaded a random file over here. All right, so I declared all the things are fine and all the things are created by myself. After that you have to save and continue, and boom, your gig is now published. Now you just have to click on the publish your gig, right? So your gig is now live and you can see it here. Yeah, so this is the gig which we have created right now, and here are the impressions and all those things, like how many orders it have in the queue and how many impressions and clicks and orders and cancellations this gig has provided to you. All right, so this is how you can create a gig on Fiverr.